How to cultivate mango avocados to be fruitful fast for beginners. Mango avocado is a type of Avocados mango 21 which began to be developed since 1994. This avocado mango comes from Pazurua district. Mango fruit avocado is widely cultivated in Pazurua, because the mango is ripe in the tree and the soil conditions there are dry enough to make avocado. Pazurua mango is softer and easily removed from the seeds. To enjoy this avocado mango only need to cut the center of the mango in a circle and turn on the seeds to open it, or it could be the usual way when eating mango. In addition to delicious because it's soft flesh, avocado mango fruit is also rich in vitamin C. Many people love this type of mango even though the price of this mango avocado is quite high, which is about Rp 3200 to 3500. Here's how to cultivate mango avocado more. 1. Preparation of avocado mango seeds. Mango avocado is a perennial fruit crop that will only bear at least as much as 1 to 2 times a year. Propagation of avocado mango seedlings can be done through seeds or through cuttings or grafts. But many people prefer to plant avocado mango through cuttings or grafts than through seeds, because if through the seed to reach the harvest takes a long time. Choose a CLOAL certified seed 21 and make sure the seeds purchased are genuine avocado mango. Choose avocado mango seeds that have baramu more than 6 months to 1 year. Make sure the seeds are protected from pests and diseases. 2. Preparation of mango avocado planting land. Determine in advance the planting area to be used to plant mango avocados. If it is determined, make a planting hole with size 50 cm by 50 cm by 50 cm, or can be adjusted to the size of the seeds. Next, apply the compost or humus to the planting hole and leave for about a week. When ready, then do the planting. Remove the seeds of polybags with the liver to the liver, not to damage the roots and media planting. Then, input the seeds into the planting hole and then close the planting hole with the former excavated hole and solidify. After that, do watering sufficiently. 3. How to caring for avocado mango. Perform watering regularly. Watering is done in accordance with weather conditions. In the growth phase, apply NPK fertilizer to stimulate the growth of stems and leaves. Do also fertilization by using KK fertilizer to stimulate the flowering process, or provide additional atonic hormone concentration of 5 gram per liter by spraying. In addition, do pruning branches to reduce evaporation and speed up the flowering process. Do also thinning the fruit for avocado mango plants to produce large fruits and good quality. 4. Mango avocado harvest period. Mango avocado from graft seedlings can be harvested after about 3 years after planting, while avocado mango seeds can be harvested after 4 to 5 years after planting. In general, when the age of 2 years of mango avocado plants that originate from grafted seedlings can begin to bear fruit but not yet optimal, so at the first fruit appears should be thinning fruit. Avocado fruit plants can bear fruit for 1 to 2 years depending on the conditions and weather and plant care. So we are discussing about how to cultivate mango avocados in order fast fruitful for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.